Hello everyone. Ito yung my report is part of memorandum. Letter A, heading. All the materials above the first line of the body comprise the heading. These are the file reference or office symbol addresses to whom the letter is being sent. Channel through with the letter will pass addressor, subject and rate. Letterhead, printed letterhead stationery is normally used for the first page. If not available, a type letterhead may be used. Each office has its own letterhead in office where more than one kind of letterhead is used. The nature of the letter will determine which letterhead is proper. The edge of the letterhead is normally placed 4 inch or on the fifth line below the top edge of paper. Yung heading ay ito yung file na sumisimbolo sa opisina na naka-address kung kanino ipapadala ang liham. Yung letterhead ay nakaprint na stationery ay karaniwang ginagamit para sa unang pahina. Kundi itong mga gamit, maaaring gumamit ng isang uri ng letterhead. Ang bawat opisina ay may sariling letterhead. Ito yung example ng letterhead. Republic of the Philippines yan. Ayan yung mga nakaano. Tapos merong 4 inch or on the fifth line below the top to the top of edge of the paper. Tapos B, file reference or symbol. It is placed at the left margin, usually 2 spaces below the letterhead. Each part of the reference has meaning. File reference are also used as identifying information on the second and subsequent pages. C, addressee. The title of the address is entered after the memorandum 4. Memorandum 4, if sent to superior office. Memorandum 2, if sent to subordinates, it should be written in block style with open punctuation and normally placed 2 spaces file reference. Ayan. Example niya, memorandum 4, tapos the director HSS. Addressor. Use the title of the addressor, sender, is entered after from authorized abbreviation are example. Yan po yung example niya. E-channels. Correspondence can be route through channels through a lower chief or supervisor. Expect to exercise control, taken action, or to be concerned and normally place 2 spaces after the address. Example yan. Ayan yung example niya. Letter F, attention address. To speed routing correspondence may be addressed to the attention of an individual or head of the subdivision of an agency or an office, either by reference to the name of the subdivision or by use of an symbol. The name will be used only there is a special reason for calling the letter. The attention of the individual known to handle the type of correspondent concerned and when it's known that she will at the place address. Example yan. To the attention. Memorandum to regional director. Kunya, sila yung mga attorney, may mga katungkulan. Subject, 10 words. It starts to 50 letter for of the first word should organize. Rules may be used. This means capital the subject line should be contained not exceeding 10 below the addressor. Title, letter, and other important words in small letters. For unimportant ones, when the second line is blocked under the first letter, extend 2 lines the subject. Yan. Ayan yung example. Tapos yung date. Yan, alam naman natin yung date, guys. Laging naka siya sa left portion of the page. And the body of the letter, the message itself, it is substance of the type letter distinct from the formal beginning and ending. This part of the letter, single space, the of the third person such as undersigned, this unit or this office is prescribed to objectively. Thus, A. Paragraphing. When a letter consists of only one paragraph, the paragraph will not be numbered, although its subparagraph will be lettered. If there are two or more paragraphs, they will be numbered. The second succeeding lines will be at the left margin. An example. Abbreviation. This communication allows abbreviation which are generally accepted in the police service. They are usually written without spacing or periods except geographical location, which can be written with or without periods. If the full name is used, the abbreviate rank is permissible. If family name only, the rank is spelled out. However, good practice tells the writer to use abbreviation, but definitely abbreviation are not used in corresponding going outside the Philippines. Yan. Ayan yung example ng abbreviation. Reference. Reference to publication must be specific or fully identified. Reference will not be made the publication or document which is not available to the addresses of the correspondence. Include the type of correspondence, file reference, office, origin, date, and subject. Yan. Letter D is page numbering. And madali lang naman yung page numbering. The first page should not be numbered. Silent pagination. Subsequent pages include those on which endorsements are prepared will be numbered consecutively beginning with the second page as 52. Page number will be centered 1 inch from the bottom of the page. The number will stand by itself. It will not be off by dashes, parentheses, or other punctuation. E. Dividing paragraph. 3 or fewer lines will not be divided between pages. At least 2 lines of an individual paragraph will appear on each page. In dividing a sentence between pages, at least 2 words will appear on each page. The complementary ending will not appear alone on a page without a part of body or text. When the space below the text is not sufficient for the close, at least 2 lines of the paragraph or subparagraph, which in its entirely consists of only one time, may be placed on the last page together with the complementary ending. Ayan yung example niya, guys. May date. Complementary ending. Like in business letter, there is also closing portion in this type of communication refers to the material found below last paragraph of the body. It consists of the outer line. If used, signature list of enclosures and list of copies. A. Authority line. An authority line will be shown when the correspondence is signed for the chief of office by an individual authorized to do so. This reflects the fact the communication expression of will of the chief or head of office. First letter of the first word of the Proceeding main paragraph, it is typed in capital letter with the authority line. We'll begin the second line below the last paragraph directly under abbreviations. Note, a staff officer may sign under the authority line only when authorized do so. Yan, example niya guys. For guidance and compliance by order of the... Laging capital letter kapag mga director, mga ganun. Pag mga may authority. B. Signature. The signature contains the name of the officer signed in ink, black or blue, black, or any other color. The name being typed, stamped with the written name, the officer's rank or service and title or designation, or printed in capital letters, blue. Example yan. Laging capital letter yung pangalan. Enclosures. Enclosures are supplementary documents which are sent with communication to provide additional information. When aside of the page, a letter has one more enclosure. This fax is entered at the left. Ayan. Example, memo from yan, memorandum. Example, Republic of the Philippines, National Police Commission. Yan, ayan guys, ayun yung example. Isa pang example. Memorandum for the City Director, Attorney the Chief of Administration. Memorandum from the Chief Investigation Section, subject. Yan. Yan. In this connection, respectfully request additional personnel to this section to do following tasks. A. To encode, print, and maintain the daily record of events. B. To submit daily through email the encoded daily records. Further request favorable action. And example niyan, for the Chief Investigation Section, ito yung pinaka-last na guys. Kung memorandum from, yan, tapos nakalagay, naka-indicate yung pangalan kung saan galing. Yan, yun lang guys. Thank you.